Well, hello everyone. Swamp Fox News coming at you. Like, subscribe, and share. Just doing a little quick video. I got a new phone today, and I'm trying to see how it's going to work with the, with uploading a video and all. I still can't go live. I don't know what's going on. I've sent requests to YouTube to find out what's up. They still haven't answered me anything. At least they did give my account back. That's something. I heard there was a new site. I think it's called BitChute or something. I might be wrong about that, but it's supposed to be a new site, streaming site. We may all just have to go to that. They're going to block us and take our subs and things like that. But anyway, I just want to let y'all know I'm still trying to move forward with life and doing the best I can. I have really high highs and really low lows, so y'all know how it goes. But I just want y'all to know I love you guys. I am letting y'all know also to be looking out for on my other channel. I don't know if everybody knows. A few of you do. I have a new channel called SwampFoxCooks. All one word. SwampFoxCooks. Cooking's good therapy for me, and now that I'm able to eat more, I'm still throwing up, guys, but not as much. It's now about 60-40. So I'm doing a little bit better. But cooking is a good therapy for me. I love to cook, and I'm really good at it. So I'll be cooking tomorrow. I'll be making authentic shepherd's pie, real shepherd's pie. Okay, no bull crap with hamburger. This will be with real lamb meat and all the fixings that go with it. So I'll be doing a video on that, on how to, and I hope y'all look out for that. But go to my new channel and subscribe. I will probably be coming back to Swamp Fox News at some point, but it's still not going to be in the next day or two. It's not going to be anytime real soon. I'm doing Swamp Fox Cooks because it helps me. It's therapy. I like to do it, and I also like teaching people the things that I learned when I was in culinary school and restaurant business management. So be looking out for that. Again, it's called Swamp Fox Cooks. It's all one word, all capital letters. The picture that is on Swamp Fox Cooks is a picture of sandcastle that's made out of, it's got a picture of Jesus, and it says, "Thank you, Jesus." That's me. Got one video up so far, how to cook pan fried steak and poached lobster tail. Y'all enjoy. I love you all. God bless everyone.